But right now we're here for the first ride impression of the bike after getting unlocked. We also went ahead and put on this brand new DBK clutch cover here. It had another warning sign, so I brought it back in. No bike has any purpose being so fast on the road. I ordered the exhaust for it already. All right, here we go. Welcome back to another video. Today we are picking up the S1000 from getting its first serviced. So the bike now is officially unlocked. We're gonna be able to open it up and kind of get a real feel for what this bike actually has to offer. As you know, you cannot go over the 8,000 or 8,500 RPM before that break-in period. So one way to do that is to get it serviced. While I was here getting serviced, we also went ahead and put on this brand new DBK clutch cover here. Got the blue outer brim with the red pressure plate in the back. I think it looks really good and it kind of blends in all the colors. It looks pretty good. I had brought the bike to get serviced 2 to 3 weeks ago actually. It got serviced, I came to pick it up, and right away as soon as I left out of here, it had another warning sign, so I brought it back in, and since I was traveling, the bike has just been sitting here. So hopefully that's all resolved. We'll get into that towards the end of the video. But right now we're here for the first ride impression of the bike after getting unlocked. I don't know if we're gonna go too crazy on here because it's my first time riding it kind of in its state. And also YouTube is getting crazy now. And all right, here we go. Wow! What? Yo, that wasn't even anything crazy. That wasn't anything crazy whatsoever, and it just, this thing is a rocket. It got up to yo, no bike has any purpose being so fast on the road. All right, we gotta really slow it down because there's a ton of cops around here and we have no business going so fast. I really want to take her on the highway right now and kind of really open her up. That's insane though, and we're not even making her scream yet. How fast she goes up there, how fast the bike gets up near that triple digit mark is insane. I miss being on this thing so much, man. I ordered the exhaust for it already, and we're gonna be installing that in a week. I'm gonna be actually flying on vacation, finally taking the vacation, and yeah, once I get back, we're gonna be installing the exhaust. I'm gonna keep the can that it has now. What we're gonna be changing is the head pipe. So went ahead and got the Akrapovich stainless. So hopefully we get some good sounding bits out of this. right, so real quick, let's talk about the engine failure message that I received. That's the reason why I took it back after I got it serviced. The first time I got that message and I took it in and the bike got serviced, they told me that it could have been an engine coil. But then they checked all of them and they were fine. So it was just like a faulty glitch. And then the second time around, it was a pin from the 4th cylinder coil. So that's what was throwing the message on. Now the pin kind of backed out a bit, and that's why I was getting that message. These bikes are like that, man. Like they'll throw crazy ass messages for any little thing, and then you read that and you think it's something really, really serious, and it's not. One of the reasons why I didn't end up getting a Ducati was because I just didn't want to deal with such a temperamental bike. But not to say this is temperamental, but these little glitches, they're a little annoying. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna keep enjoying the beautiful day out here in dirty Jersey. We got blue skies, clear skies, can't go wrong with this. The weather's not too crazy today either. We've had a crazy heat wave and it's been in the high 90s lately, and today seems to be a bit cooler, so nice day to ride. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button that's going to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. And like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.